Break. That's my good boy. It's always a good idea to recall right at the start of the hike, just to make sure you've got control and sort of to set the tone. So Argo's the only one being recalled here. Good boy. Come. Gotta follow through. Now I'm stemming. Good. Stay. Nice work. So if they don't follow through with the recall, you correct. Right there. I'm correcting. I want him to come to me and stay. Good. Stay. Break. Do it. Hold it till I see a response. Good boy. There he is. Now I'm looking for that commitment. Nope, correct there. Hi, me. Good boy. Nice work. Stay. I love hikes because you can work on the two foundational things, which is recall and stay. Break. Nice work. There's the recall. I hold it until I see commitment. There he comes. Good boy. Stay. Good. Down. That's my good boy. Stay. Now all the other dogs are walking around. All right. This is what we mean when we say ask for the command, then add distractions. They still have to hold the command until they're released. Good job. Good boy, bud. Break. Nice work, buddy! There he comes. I'm beeping. There he comes. Good boy. Nice work. Stay. Good job. Down. Nice work. Break. Nice job. There you are, bud. Come on. Come. Sit. Good job. Stay. Down. Good. Break. Good job.